Hey guys, JGH22 here, Josh Taylor, and today I actually picked up my Hisense Sero 7-inch tablet Pro, and I'm pretty excited about it. I did the site to store option last night on Walmart.com, and it was ready this morning before 10 a.m. So it's the afternoon now, but I slept in and I waited, so I got it. And went to the store, picked it up, and now here we are for the unboxing. So as you can see, it's got a nice kind of Nexus 7 type box with that shininess all over it, this material here. Nothing too fancy. Just talking about the apps up there: Pandora, Facebook, Voodoo, which is Voodoo's Walmart's app for, excuse me, entertainment. Got this profile picture here. Not much on this side or the top. And then on the back it just has all the features. So Voodoo, 5 megapixels, quad-core processor, 1280 by 800 IPS HD screen, NVIDIA Tegra 3 quad-core 1.3 gigahertz processor, capacitive touch, 7.0 inch screen, rear 5 megapixel camera with flash, front 2.0 megapixels, stereo speaker, micro USB 3.5mm headset jack, mini HDMI port, Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, 1 gig of RAM plus 8 gigs of ROM internal storage, and it's expandable with a micro SD card by up to 32 gigabytes, so I'm going to be buying one of those soon. Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 4000 milliamps, I believe, battery, and that's it. So let's do the unboxing. Nice little thing there. And here we are. Wow, this thing is very thin. Yep, here's the Sero 7 tablet. Pull that out later. 7-inch screen. And let's see what else comes with it. Okay, so here we have the AC adapter, I believe, or DC, one of the two, that the power cord plugs into via USB. And there's the other part of that cord. So this plugs into the Sero 7, that plugs into the charger. Just got some basic instructions, quick start guide, then the warranty, and I think that's it. Sorry, phone's going off. Okay, so let's take this puppy out. Wow, I just love this thing already. I've actually never held a 7-inch tablet, I don't believe, but I like this one a lot already. As you can see, it's got the internal camera, 2 megapixel right there. Kind of weird spot up in the corner, but whatever. Nice looking screen thus far. Here's the side profile, a little thicker than the Nexus 7, but very sturdy feeling. There's all that. It's got a rubberized kind of type of material, and then there's the 5 megapixel camera flash. So let's see if it will boot up here. Actually, we'll go through this first. Here's the 3.5mm headphone jack, the micro SD card slot, expandable up to 32 gigs. Here's the mini USB, or micro, I believe, excuse me, and there's the mini HDMI port. So power buttons right here, volume rockers up and down on the side, And let's see. There we go. Boot up screen. Awesome. Hisense Smart. I don't know. I mean, it's a foreign brand, but they're pretty popular over in Australia, Hisense, and I'm pretty impressed for 150 bucks. I can't beat it. So there's my Wi-Fi setup and everything. I'll take you guys through on a little tour later. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, and Facebook. Thanks guys. Peace out.